This is the Philippine Moto Heritage Weekend 2025. Good day guys, Full Tank Motovlog here. So today nandito tayo sa Philinvest tent. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako and we will explore the place since maaga tayo. And I think the gate is just opened. So marami tayong ma-check dito na binibenta for motorcycles and accessories and apparels. And also meron silang test ride na nandito lang sa tabi ng tent. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Open na yung gate, so nandito na tayo sa loob ng tent. And pasok na tayo for the event. Meron tayong display ng Kawasaki ng mga ATV and jet ski nila. And of course, sa gitna, yung mga classic and cruisers. Ikot lang tayo. O mga classic sports bike ng Yamaha and Kawasaki. Oh. Scooter Depot is present here. Oh nice ha, meron ding mga artwork here. Benda in Benelli is also present here. Ganda ng art na to. It's from Olan, yung artist, 2023. Sir Kim, good morning. Suzuki GSX 80 and Suzuki GSX ATT. So pareho lang yan. It came from the GSX 8S, yung engine. I think baka different tuning lang. Then yung isa may mga cowlings, yung isa more on of a naked. Hopefully maka-test ride tayo niyan para malaman natin yung difference. So guys, nasa Royal Enfield booth tayo. And ito yung BR650 nila, pinakabago nilang motor sa Royal Enfield. Dito tayo guys sa booth ng Benda Motorcycle in Benelli. So check natin tong cruiser nila. Grabe, laki ng gulong nito guys sa likod. Ito. So this is the LFC 700 ng Benda Motorcycle. Grabe guys, so tignan nyo yung rear tire nito, oh. Napakalaki. Baka mas malaki pa to sa standard na gulong ng sasakyan eh. No? Check muna natin yung test ride event, kung ano yung mga nag-join dito ng mga motorcycles. Mga SYM, also Kawasaki is present here for a test ride. Suzuki is also here for test ride, and also Honda. And dinala din ng Honda yung kanilang electric vehicle, mga EV nila. Hero Motorcycles, yan. Royal Enfield, yan. So ito yung sa nilook forward natin, yung BR650 nila. The Vespa is also available here for test ride. Dito tayo guys sa Lambretta booth. Ito yung kanilang mga scooters. So Lambretta V200 Special, then Lambretta G350. Then, Lambretta X300. Ito, grabe to. Na-try ko ng test ride yan. Although short lang, pero napaka-responsive ng engine yan. Sir Jay, thank you ulit. And congrats sa 8th anniversary. Thank you. Okay, thank you. And Sir Jay Taruk ng ating Ride PH. Hey guys, Full Tank Motovlog here. Well, putulin ko na yung video. Hanggang dito na lang. Gladly, okay yung weather natin, not unlike yesterday. So, na-enjoy natin yung test ride. And also yung visit natin sa mga booth sa loob. So, I would like to take a quick shout out and thank you sa Ride PH team and kay Sir Jay for a wonderful event and happy 8th year anniversary sa kanila. As always, enjoy the rides, stay safe and ride smart. See you sa next vlog ko. Cheers, bye-bye.